How to log out of your Gmail account from other devices on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remotely sign out of anywhere your account is still logged in. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. After that, go to myaccount.google.com in the address bar. From there, sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. At this point, tap on Security from the menu to open your security settings. In the next step, scroll down and look for the Your Devices section. Let me show you. Tap on Manage All Devices to see every device currently signed into your account. From there, you'll see a full list of all active sessions, including the device type and location. At this stage, tap on the device you want to sign out of and verify yourself. Following this, tap on Sign Out to remotely log out of that device. Once done, the device will be signed out of your Google account and Gmail immediately. From here, repeat the same steps for any other devices you want to remove from your account. Here's an important note. Signing out of a device remotely will log it out of all Google services, including Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive, not just Gmail alone. And that's it. If this guide helped you log out of Gmail from other devices, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.